Hello and welcome to Movement Mantra 1.3, Ardha Matsyendrasana. My name is Hedy Diep, Movement and Nutrition Coach at 10overall.com. I will be your guide to today's practice. Let's begin. The butterfly stretch. Begin sitting in a comfortable position with the soles of your feet against each other and your knees pressed towards the ground. Bring your feet as close to your body as possible and elongate your spine by sitting upright. With a deep inhale, raise your arms up from the side until your palms meet above your head. As you press your palms together, exhale and lower your palms to your chest. Repeat this movement 3 times. Now for our next pose, Ardha Matsyendrasana, the half-lord of the fish pose. To enter this pose, bring your knees together. Then slide your right foot to your left hip as far back as possible. Bring your left foot over your right knee and gently rest your left foot on the ground next to your right knee. You may feel some tension in the hips in this position. Allow your body to settle in this temporary state of discomfort. Now, with a deep inhale, raise your arms up from the side until your palms meet above your head. Exhale and lower your palms to your chest. We'll repeat this breathing exercise twice this time. To implement the spinal stretch, place your left palm on the ground behind your left hip. Then, raise your right arm over your left knee and place your right palm by the ground next to your right shin. Straighten your arms and push your chest out, allowing your torso to twist towards your left side. Holding this pose, take a slow, deep inhale and allow your muscles to absorb the potency of that breath. Then, pushing with your stomach, exhale all the way out. Now we'll transition to the other side. We'll conclude by returning to the butterfly pose. With a deep inhale, raise your arms up from the side until your palms meet above your head. As you press your palms together, exhale and lower your palms to your chest. And repeat 5 times. With one last deep inhalation, lean forward and reach your arms towards the ground. Really allow your back to stretch forward as far as possible and take a moment to sit in this stretch. Now we'll end with one long exhalation as you release yourself from this final stretch. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. See you next time.